The head of the Sumy region of northeastern Ukraine has ordered an immediate evacuation for the towns of Vorozhba and Bilopilya near the border with the Kursk region of Russia, due to a significant increase over the last 24 hours in cross-border shelling and the possibility of Russian ground forces soon entering the region. According to the chief of Ukrainian intelligence Budanov, the Sumy region is the next point for a Russian attack from the north. The Russian Volunteer Corps is actively involved in the defense of Vovchansk and the Kharkiv border area. Here, a BTR-82A is firing at Russian units near the Vovchansk meat processing plant. Kharkiv front update. Ukrainians have set up kill zones. Let in, cut off, and destroy. The situation in Kharkiv Oblast is as follows. They come from everywhere. From each landing, 30 to 40 boars fall out and enter the city. Street fights are becoming an increasingly frequent phenomenon. We try to respond to their attacks and advances as quickly and efficiently as possible. The PDORs are trying to bypass the city of B. So far, they are having a hard time doing it. We use a flexible and maneuverable defense. Let in, cut off, and destroy. A special greeting to the stormtroopers and Special Forces Archangels. Your tricks with civilian clothes and AKSU under the jacket do not work. We try to keep boundaries. The poders, as a habit, press with meat. Nothing new, everything as usual. Our Arta is blowing to the full and so that you can put a pan on the trunk and fry potatoes. But unfortunately, there is no time for that. The report is over. Defeating Russia's operation in Kharkiv Oblast requires defeating Russia's glide bomb threat. Russian forces are using glide bombs launched from Russian airspace to enable Russian ground maneuver in Kharkiv Oblast, writes the Institute for the Study of War. Russia is leveraging Russian airspace as a sanctuary to strike Kharkiv Oblast, meaning Russian aircraft can strike Kharkiv city indefinitely without ever leaving the sanctuary of Russian airspace. Russia is leveraging Russian airspace as a sanctuary to strike Kharkiv Oblast. Senior U.S. government officials have issued multiple statements throughout 2023 and 2024 that Ukraine may only use U.S.-provided weapons within Ukrainian territory and airspace, and that the U.S. does not encourage or enable attacks within Russia, very likely also including Russian airspace, although the prohibition on Ukraine's use of air defense systems around Kharkiv is less clear. Ukraine cannot defend its hotline Posftons from Russian glide bombs so long as Ukraine cannot intercept Russian aircraft in Russian airspace with U.S.-provided air defense systems. Russia's use of Russian airspace for these attacks underscores the urgent need toward the U.S. Provide more long-range air defense assets and allow the Ukrainians to use them, intercept Russian aircraft in Russian airspace. Russian aircraft can strike Kharkiv city indefinitely without ever leaving the sanctuary of Russian airspace. Kharkiv city lies 40 kilometers from Russia's international border with Ukraine. Russia glide bombs have a glide range of 40 to 60 kilometers. Ukraine, air from systems do not have the capability to intercept glide bombs once they have been launched from Russian fight bombers. The Russian forces can therefore strike Kharkiv city without ever entering Ukraine, sovereign airspace. It is absurd to constrain Ukraine's ability to counter Russia. Glide bomb threat in Kharkiv at this pivotal movement, concludes the Institute. Village of Terny in Donetsk Oblast. Around 100 destroyed enemies in 11 days. Footage of firefighters of the Frost Platoon, 3rd Company, 2nd Assault Battalion, 3rd Assault Brigade, repelling wave after wave in the area.
Ну, мішків тут немає. Подивись, де мішки знаходяться. Так, ЄБК тут, блядь. Пане Маланець, дайте інтерв'ю, як вам вот этот пиздарез? Аж закурить захотелось, да? Пиздец. Пидорский окопчик. Ну или наш был, блядь, хуй пойми сейчас, чей он теперь.
Ну под пидорами он тоже.
Да.
Ничего не знаю. Я 2 дня здесь. Только меня призвали. А призвали как? Ты. Поехал. И все. Куда? На войну. Как на войну?
И контракт не подписывал?
Заставили? Я ж судил.
Бося, грата!
Я їбанусь, де я? О! Салют, я чую, ти десь рядом, де. Тебе похуйовило, братан. Немає що залутати, не цінно. О, з противогазами, дивіться, що. Ля. Дай Боже. Кажу, дай Боже. Ох, їбать, того роздуло на. Ого. Я їбанусь, нахуй. Та таких і лутать, блядь. Їбать, ти на горілу похож, на. А, там 2 їх. То кентафарики якісь.
Тобі самотньо. Нема чим зайнятися. Вривайся в 3-ю штурмову.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.